In this video, I am going to show you how to reset WordPress website. So let's get started. And today we are going to reset it to default. So at first we need to log into our WordPress website dashboard. And after that we are going to install a plugin. So to install a WordPress plugin, we are going to click on plugins and then click on add new. Now here we are going to search for WP reset. And we are going to install and activate this first plugin. So as you can see that our plugin is now installed and activated. Now to reset our WordPress website, we are going to click on tools and then we are going to click on WP reset. And now from here we are going to scroll down to the site reset section. So here it is. After that we are going to check these checkboxes and then we are going to type reset here, and after that we are going to click on reset site. Now click reset WordPress from here and our resetting is in progress. And as you can see that our website is now reset to default. So now if I go to my website and refresh it, so as you can see that we have successfully reset our WordPress website. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.